Salam's back. Sophistic Mystic Channel. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. مدد يا سلطان الأولياء. مدد يا سلطان الأنبياء. مدد يا Muhammad Mustafa. Today on a very important topic once again, the water we drink. So our masters, they usually say don't drink the water that you buy in the bottles. I mean, if you know where it comes from and so on, maybe it's good. But otherwise, don't do it. So what water to drink is best? Of course, the water from the source, no? From the mountain source or whatever source, directly to take it if you have the possibility. I mean, for me, I don't have it, so I will tell you how I do it. I do it, take the water from the sink. I mean, here where I live, the water is quite good. It's okay, but still, it's like where it goes through the pipes and so on. You don't know what metal it is from and what is like dissolving in this. So at least I have the 3 steps basically. First of all, cook. In the Chinese medicine, it's basically they are only drinking cooked water. Cook it first and then either make a tea out from it or like let it cool down, doesn't matter. So this is the first step. Also I realized that for certain things, if you want to grow certain plants or something, you will first cook the water because it will get rid of at least some like not so good like toxins, no? It will get rid of some toxins, at least chloride and fluoride, they will like vanish, no? If you don't cook it, you can like let it stand there like for 1 day and then also the chloride and the fluoride will vanish. But like cooking is more quick basically, no? And also the excess calcium will be gone there, no? So you will basically, if you cooked a lot of water in a water cooker, you will have this calcium deposits, no? And of course there's good calcium and I think there's bad calcium as far as I understood. So in this you will have the yellowish calcium or whatever, no, there. So you cook it first. Then you let it cool down. I mean, I do it. And then optional also to have it in a copper bottle in between. So I have the 3 steps: cooking, cooling down, copper bottle. Why copper? Because I mean, in I have from the Sufi tradition at least, at all of the saints' graves, you will have a copper. If there is not a sink, but like water, a source of water, usually they will have a copper cup attached there. And also in the Sufi books, a lot with copper is done, no? So it's good to put it in copper. Also the yogic tradition, they use a lot of copper, so it's a good metal. It's the metal of the planet Venus, no? So yeah, then I put it in the copper, and then, I mean, there is like the saying of the Prophet or something, I don't remember so exactly, to not drink like water that is standing too long, like around, no? So it's better to drink moving water. I mean, there is another possibility. There are like mixers which mix the water continuously. Maybe it would be a good opportunity. But I don't know in how far he meant this. Yeah. I'm just saying in our situation how we can get more closest to a good water, no? Because for those who know, the water is getting structured. There are many experiments. Many of heard probably. There's the Chinese scientists. He made those photo with eyes. On the one they said good things, on the one they said bad things, and the eyes looks totally different, no? So the one had the beautiful structures, and the other one had the not so beautiful structures. So it's important. And then my personal final step, I mean, I want to put this one step with moving somewhere, but I'm going there, inshallah. It's this one, no? You take a talismanic, Quranic, dhikr, what's it called? Water thing, no? So I did this one. It's many formulas written on it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, hasbunallah wa ni'mal wakil. I added a little bit of a special alchemical ash also here. And also what I think is important is some stones inside. I think shungite, the stone shungite is also very good because it's against the electromagnetic, like electrosmog. So if you put it in the water, it gives special properties to it. And especially with this one, with this object here, Karaffe, how it's in English. No, Bismillah. Carafe, okay, same. So especially with this one here, my experience is that although you go through those cleaning process like cooking before, where you can see that a lot of the calcium is like staying in the other bottles what I use. Still in this one, if I would use another carafe or another glass bottle, in this one there will be like some white saliva depositing on the bottom of the water. So like if you let it stand for 1 or 2 days, there will be this white clumpy slime, whatever thing. What is appearing to me very, mystic, whatever, wondrous. Yeah. So in my theory, this is the rest of the poisons are extracted from this. Yeah. So I mean, you can try it on your own, maybe. I mean, this was fired with 1000 degrees. It's like a proper ceramic, but if you need one, you can contact me. Otherwise, you can try it on your own also. Like to write those things down. I mean, of course, there's Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Then you have Huwa Allahu alladhi la ilaha illa huwa alimul ghaybi wa shahadati wa rahmanur rahim. Hasbunallah wa ni'mal wakil, ni'mal mawla wa ni'mal nasir, wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billahi al-azim. لا إله إلا الله الملك الحق المبين محمد رسول الله صادق الوعد الأمين. يا ربي يا ربي يا حي يا قيوم يا ذا الجلال والإكرام يا ربي يا رب العرش العظيم يا أرحم الراحمين يا سلام يا كافي يا هادي يا نور على نور يا متين يا خبير يا فتاح يا رزاق يا قوي يا غني يا عليم يا ودود يا لطيف. Of course you can add also other things. Allah, Allah, who. يا ربي 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 يا ربي يا ربي يا ربي يا ربي ربي يا ربي يا Allah. Also written there. So it is very interesting. Take care what you drink. It's maybe also more important on the one side what you eat, because we are like 80% of water, and maybe also what you eat is also important, but it's also more easy. A little, at least this method I found out is okay. It is some work, but this is one of the quite okay. It's not so much to work on. So salams, be in the fluid, be in the flow, the water, drink the water, sacred water. Of course, there were other methods also to charge water, but this, I think I'll make another video on this. Let's see, or I cut it here. Subscribe, comment, share, and all the good stuff. Maybe contact me. Salams.